Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to fix Acura TL radio code, easy method. Start by locating the radio serial or your vehicle VIN and write it down clearly for reference. Call Acura customer service or use your dealer to retrieve the OEM radio code based on that serial number. Prepare a quiet workspace, reconnect battery, and enter the code slowly, confirming each digit before pressing the confirm button to avoid lockouts. In this video, I will show how to fix Acura TL radio code, easy method. Pull the trim and unscrew the radio carefully, keeping screws in a safe place and using steady pressure to avoid snapping tabs. Inspect the exposed radio for a sticker or metal tag showing the serial number, or slide the unit out slightly to view hidden markings. Photograph any numbers clearly and double-check each digit before calling for the code so you get the exact match. In this video, I will show how to fix Acura TL radio code, easy method. Call Acura or visit a dealer with the radio serial and proof of ownership to get your official unlock code. Be ready to verify vehicle information. When you have the code, power the radio, select the code entry mode, and input digits slowly and deliberately using preset buttons. After entry, press the confirm button and allow the radio a moment to accept the code and return to normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.